Today we're going to show you how to make an origami hopping frog. We're going to take something like this and turn it into something like this. You can use an index card, piece of cardboard, cardboard cum wrapper, an old playing card, even a business card. You want to start by taking the top short edge, fold it down to the side, make a triangle. Fold the other side to make a little house, then unfold and make a flap that goes right through that X. A little flap so you can tuck in the sides and push it flat. This is the trickiest part. You're going to tuck in those sides and push it down flat. Now we're going to take those little pointy pieces and fold them up to the frog's nose. That's the frog's toes to the nose. Fold the sides in, one side, two sides, then take the whole frog and fold it in half like a giant taco. Once it's folded in half, you can take that last fold and fold it down to make a little Z for those back legs. Fold the flap down. There are the back legs. And now we can just push the finger on the back and the frog will hop. You can also try using 2 frogs at once or 5 frogs at once. Show us your experiments with the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience.